I'm Craig Anderson, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Sunglass Fix. The Sunglass Fix is an e-commerce business primarily, and we've got a fairly complex e-commerce setup, selling internationally around the world. We've got customers in over 150 different countries, and operate in multiple languages. And our primary goal on the site is to help customers keep their favorite sunglasses when they scratch or damage the lenses by offering replacement lenses. So we've got over 250,000 high quality replacement lenses available on our site, the largest selection in the world by far. And our primary goal with the site is to make it as easy as possible for the customers to find the correct lenses that they need for their sunglasses, so that they can repair them rather than throw them away or have to go out and buy a new pair. If you talk to 99 out of, if you talk to 100 people today and ask them, can you replace the lenses in your sunglasses? 99% wouldn't even have heard of the concept. So when somebody lands on our site and is looking for a solution, or we're lucky enough to have made them aware of that, building trust is the most important thing that we have to do, and we have to do that right off the bat. And there's lots of ways that we've tried to achieve that in the past. We've having a very well functioning website that's easy to use, that's fast, is important. Obviously, using trusted site and having a very secure environment and being very confident that the customer's information is secure and showing that to the customer is extremely important to us. We've also, built trust through other mechanisms. We've won the highest rating, the Platinum Award for customer service 3 years in a row. I think we're still the only company that's won it 3 years in a row. We recently won Australia Exporter of the Year award, which was very important. It kind of shows that we do operate on a global level, with us exporting right around 70% of our products go to customers around the world. So that's important. And for us to be able to tell customers in Europe or United States that, hey, we ship all the time there, it will get there, we stand behind it. We stand by our product, we stand behind our delivery, we do it through our customer service, and we do it through, our partners that do the distribution. That sort of trust just has to be kind of just inherent. And I think, trusted site definitely helps with that, and Trustpilot also helps. Having, very unmodifiable reviews, out there is important to us too, so we can get the feedback and use that feedback to improve ourselves and to share with others that are contemplating a purchase with us using our service. A lot of people just aren't familiar with the fact that Australia is a great country with good manufacturing facilities, good distribution facilities, so I think there is kind of that issue of would I buy something from overseas, when I'm shopping on the internet. So it is important to build that trust and to build that global presence and confidence that, yes, I am, sitting in New York or London, and I can go ahead and do this, and it's not going to be a 3-month wait while I get my product. And then if I got issues, what am I going to do? So we need to instill that trust up front with the buyer to build that global customer base and make them feel comfortable with their purchase. Well, I think probably 5 years ago, we were looking for better tools to scan our site to make sure that things were, as secure as possible. And I think we knew of McAfee, from, the PC days, and we were just looking for a partner in this. And Trusted Site, seemed to have a really good facility for the internet that translated from probably the PC knowledge that they had. They had the visibility, the badges that went on, and it seemed to me that they would just be a great partner for us because we could sit back and focus on our business more than focusing on, is the site secure? Do we have any problems or breaches that could potentially impact our customers' privacy information? Even though we don't store any sort of financial information, you still don't want emails to leak out. You still don't want, anybody to figure out what a customer's address is or things like that. So, so it's very important for us to get security right. So we partnered with you guys at that point, and and I think, just having that and just showing that we care to our customers and showing that we're partnering with probably one of the biggest and best in the industry has obviously increased in our conversion rates, which has translated to, better sales and more trust with our customers, which means, a better global expansion of our business. Our conversion rate in Australia alone for an e-commerce company is over 10%. And, the global industry standard is probably below 2. So, so I think having that trusted, that gaining that trust with the customers through trusted site has certainly helped push those numbers up, and they're constantly going up, not down. So that's a positive thing. On an international level, we still operate in the 4 to 5% range for conversion rates, which is pretty phenomenal for an e-commerce company. And especially with a product that's brand new, nobody, like I said, I don't know if you guys knew about lens replacement before you were introduced to our company or not, but most people don't. So a lot of people are coming to the site, and really kind of wondering, wow, can I do this at home? Am I able to replace the lenses if they send them out to me? And I think through a combination of a good website, partnering with you guys, trusted site, we've been able to push people over the line, and I'm certain that having the trusted site partnership has helped with that conversion rate increase over the years. Well, I mean, I just like the fact that obviously the presence is important to us. The fact that we can put something on our site that says, we have this. It's not a config server background batch job that's running that spits out a report once a month that says this and that. Yeah, while it has that sort of feature, we're able to actually present to the customers that we're actively, trying to make sure that the site's, secure. And we've got somebody that's monitoring us and holding us accountable.